Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm right in the middle of changing my oil, and I always forget to film this when I'm doing it. So I thought I would take this opportunity to show you how this oil filter splash guard works. So usually on Panther cars 2005 and older, when you remove the oil filter, it splashes oil all over the steering rack. So starting around 2006, they started putting on these splash guards, and I'm touching it right now, and it kind of funnels the flow of oil away from the steering rack. So I've already drained the oil from the oil pan, so now I just need to remove the filter. So let me see if I can unscrew this and get it on camera. Alright, here we go. See, I loosened it too fast, so it dribbled out a little bit on the rack, but it's still better than my 04 Vic. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.